guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the best summer day ever. We have summer now officially in Sweden. Well, yesterday I actually went for a swim and it wasn't even cold, so it felt wonderful. And today we're going again. We're going somewhere to just lay in the sun, maybe go for a swim.
Nästa, Tegnérgatan.
Okay, so today I'm baking a gluten-free and a regular or normal cake. I'm making a cake for my daughter's graduation party. I'm using this sauce that is just almost ready-made. Just need to heat it up with some sugar and some milk here on the stove, and it will gradually get thicker. I have 3 layers. I'm adding the vanilla cream on the bottom, then I'm going to put on the second layer, then I'm adding the raspberry jam on top of that, directly adding the cream, then I'm smashing on the third layer, and then I'm just going to put a lot of cream on top. So we have the first layer, and this is the first part of the hat. I made a little pattern along the side because I wanted to look a little bit more authentic, and I'm really satisfied with the result because it looks so much better. Here I've been experimenting a little bit. I'm going to have yellow and blue flowers. It's the same colors as in the Swedish flag. And then I'm going to have some small leaves also around the hat. Goes this line. No harder things to make me feel. Going back to 130. Got the 20 hours or so. That's the master part and now it's over. We are hosting the party at my mom's place because she has a garden. Here I'm, packing the food. We have baguettes. I'm going to make a Greek salad. My dog is sleeping over there. And here are several things for the salad, coffee, and so on. And then here I'm also packing stuff because I'm doing a deli platter. The kids are eating hot dogs. And here I have the cakes that we made yesterday. So these are traditional Swedish cakes called princess cakes, but I've decorated them. So this looks like a hat, like the hat they wear at graduation. Then we have Prosecco. I have more Prosecco in here, and I have wine, and I have some ready bought cakes. I'm wearing this dress from Zara, and I curled my hair. I need to comb it out, and I need to do my lip. My skin is horrible. I don't know why, but I tried to cover it as good as I could, and I steamed my face, and I did a little microcurrent facial on myself. And then I got my lashes done yesterday. My hair is looking pretty dark. It's because I used silver shampoo, but that's fine. It's not my day. I'm not the star, unfortunately. But it's going to be so much fun.
Yeah, into me. Yeah.
Okay, so this is my look. I'm wearing these huge golden earrings, and I have a Chanel lipstick that I'm not really sure of, but I think I'm going to keep it because it's boring to have the same lip as I normally wear. And the dress also has this golden detail in the back. Can you see it? Well, I'm pretty happy with this outfit. I think it looks good. I'm so ready to celebrate. So now I'm just waiting for my mom to pick me up, and I have like all the things standing over there. Det var läckert. So today is Midsummer, and we're going to my brother's place to celebrate. We're taking the boat over there, but the bus was a bit late, so we're almost running. Look at the view, it's so beautiful. here and we're going to find my brother's place. Look at this building. People are celebrating and I just love to hear the seagulls. Oh my god, it's so hot today. Wow, I love the Swedish summer. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!